Hello friend, welcome back. So let's learn to play Zara Zara Behkta Hai, that song on our flute. So this is an easy flute tutorial. Hope you guys easily learn how to play this song through this video. So let's move to the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Let's move. Okay, I'm using my double G flute today. You can use any flute that you have, and let's see how to play the first line. Okay, let's play. Okay, da sa re ga re re ga re re ga re re ga sa ni, da sa re ga re re ga re re ga re re ga sa ni, and then ni re re ga sa ni dha, da re 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 ni, ni re ga ma re ga. Okay, that's whole part I will play, and you need to repeat that whole part for 2 times like this. Watch. Okay, and then ga da da ga ni ga sa ni da da pa da. Okay, once again. Okay, and then ga da da ga pa pa re ga ma re sa re ni. Once again. Re ga ma ga re sa. Okay, and you can play ga when you coming down. Re ga ma ga re sa re ni. I haven't write that ga on the notation. You need to add ga. Okay. And then Zara Zara. Nisa nisa sa ni sa re ni sa re ni sa ni ga re ga sa ni. Once again. Nisa nisa sa ni sa re ni sa re ni sa ni ga re ga sa ni. And then nisa nisa sa ni sa re ni sa re ni sa dha sa ni da pa da. Okay, once again that whole part. And then we need to go high. Okay. That whole part for 2 times. Okay. Da dha sa ni pa ni da ma pa ma ga ni sa ni dha. When we played before, we stopped at mandra dha, okay, lower dha, and then we need to play on middle. Da sa ni pa ni da ma pa ma ga ni sa ni da. And again da sa ni pa, pa ni da ma pa ma ga, ni sa ni da. I will show you once again whole part, whole music, okay? Like that. That's it, guys. So that's it, guys. And now you know how to play Zara Zara song on flute through this video. I hope you guys learned to play the song through this video. So need to say this is an easy notation, so a beginner can try this one. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. So lastly, thank you for watching.